Claire's talking with her tongue. Yeah. Do you know how to roll your tongue? Curl it up. Oh, good. What else? Come on. Good. Yeah? Wow. Yeah, you have a lot to say. Good job. Anything else?